Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the mini mystery box of awesome. It's a complete surprise every single month. I've unboxed a few on my channel, so I'll leave all that information below in case you want to see past boxes. But you always get a little piece of paper inside that has kind of like brain teasers on them. Little word search. Greetings, we hope you enjoy your gym themed mini mystery bag this month. These shirts are high quality and very comfortable, and we really wanted you to have one. We realize this may not be your correct size, so we suggest you gift it to a friend or family member. Okay, cool. So they haven't ever done themed ones that I've received. They're normally just like random items, so that's kind of cool. Also have a card, try our new monthly box of food and snacks. That's cool. Huh. Cool. So let's take a look at our gym stuff. This is nice and soft. Let's see, it goes this way. Royal Sport Limited. So it's gray and purple. It's a pretty big size towel for the gym. That's pretty neat. This must be our shirt. I'll go ahead and open that. This is a men's size large, has that logo on the front. Looks nice and comfortable. And we also have what looks like a little bag. So the bag is purple and white, and this is actually the nicest drawstring bag that I've seen before. Has really thick straps. There is a zipper pouch on the front, and it's completely mesh. So if you have anything wet in there, it's airy. That's pretty cool. Seems very durable. Cool. Very awesome. So we got the bag, a shirt, and a towel. So I don't know if this was just kind of like a one-off or if they're going to do more themed boxes. I think I like the random ones the best, which is typically what we get. But like I said, I do have other unboxing videos and more information about them, so I will put all that below in the description box in case you'd like to join. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.